Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja and आज we've just wrapped up the clinic and because हमने इतने सारे hair care के patients देखे who come with so many hair issues, किसी को dandruff हो रहा है, किसी को hair loss हो रहा है, somebody's just confused about what to use because the weather is changing. So I thought क्यों ना एक quick सा video बना लिया जाए जहाँ we're going to burst all these myths for you. क्या करना है तो हम सबको पता होता है पर क्या नहीं करना है is what I need to bring to your notice. I want to make sure that I tell you, I enable you कि क्या चीज़ें नहीं करनी है, बाकी सब तो आप कर ही लोगे. So let's dive in. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. So I'll just start by reading my DMs. अगर इसके अलावा और भी कुछ सवाल हैं, so please make sure you drop them in the comments. For now, the first question is, I oil my hair so much, why is my hair still not growing? So my dear, I just want to tell you, oiling improves the blood circulation. Oiling improves the texture of our hair because it's a conditioner in a way, but in no way is it going to improve your hair fall. It's not going to convert your resting and the shedding hair into growing hair. So please understand, to nourish the scalp, you're going to have to nourish the follicle. Oiling is nourishing the strands. So it is conditioning your hair but not treating the scalp. और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा active hair loss हो रहा है तो oiling will only make it worse but not help it. अगर एक quick solution चाहिए तो market जाओ, एक अच्छा सा peptide solution लो, 5% minoxidil lotion लो, 1 ml लगाओ रात को सोते वक्त और हाथ धो के सो जाओ. The next one that you've asked me is, why am I losing hair even though I've changed my shampoo 10 times? So my dear, it's not the shampoo that's causing the hair loss, or it's not the shampoo that's going to cause you hair growth. It's your vitamin D, it's your hormones, it's the nutritional deficiency, it is stress, it's your gut, plain simple inflammation. उनको फिक्स करो तब जाके हेयर लॉस फिक्स होगा, और अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो जस्ट सीक हेल्प, गो सी योर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट. सो अगला क्वेश्चन तो इतना बेसिक है, मुझे चलते फिरते कोई ना कोई पकड़ के ज़रूर पूछता है, डॉक्टर इज इट नॉर्मल टू सी हेयर एवरीवेयर, on the pillow, in the shower, on the floor? So well, 50 to 100 hair shed करना रोज is absolutely normal. But अगर हमें कहीं पे भी hair के clumps दिखाई दे रहे हैं, be it your pillow, in your drain, if you feel खाने में से बाल निकल रहा है, these are not normal things. And अगर हमारा hair loss 6 to 8 weeks से ज़्यादा चलता है, that's when we need to see a doctor. This question, I think these days, not just females, even men want to ask all the time, does straightening, smoothing cause permanent damage, or is that a myth? Well, my friends, permanent straightening use करता है heat. It uses certain chemicals like formaldehyde. A lot of treatments say we are formaldehyde free, but जब वो chemical heat के contact में आता है, the byproduct that is made is formaldehyde, और ये क्या करता है, हमारे cuticle को damage कर देता है. While the damage may not be permanent, depending on how are you doing this process and the procedure, you should not touch the scalp. You leave a little margin and then do the procedure. अगर हम treatments को space out कर रहे हैं and you're taking proper care, you're using bond repair shampoos and you're eating well and your lifestyle is good, damage may not be permanent, but nonetheless it is a chemical treatment at the end of the day. I'm not a big fan, but if your hair is really frizzy, you're ending up using a lot of heat on a daily basis and you're just very frustrated, it's all right. So can dandruff actually cause hair fall, or is that something that people just say? Now, dandruff could be just inflammation. It could be a fungal infection. So any form of infection or inflammation means weak roots. And if you leave it untreated, it can obviously lead to hair fall. So, अगला question funny नहीं है, relevant है. Do helmets and caps really make you bald? So that's a very relevant question. Wearing it for a long time can actually worsen your hair fall by causing dandruff. अगर हम अपने स्कार्फ्स को वॉश नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमारे हेलमेट के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आ गया है, तो ऑब्वियसली डैंड्रफ बढ़ जाएगा. डैंड्रफ बढ़ जाएगा तो हेयर वीक हो जाएंगे, और वीक हो गए तो हेयर इज गोइंग टू अल्टीमेटली फॉल. इफ यू आर कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, ऑब्वियसली द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी हेयर फॉल. This is good news. I see baby hair growing, but my volume looks the same. Why? Well, because baby hair is new. thin, it needs nourishment. It takes about 3 to 6 months for these baby hair जब तक आप उसको एक ponytail में tie कर सको और the frizz settles and you can make it into a hairstyle. So consistency pays. Do not give up. Keep nourishing these hair. Does using hair oil overnight actually help, or is it just a tradition? Well, overnight oiling क्या करेगी? It is going to moisturize your hair. It's going to condition your hair well. But अगर हम oily acne prone हैं और oil को रात भर अपने scalp पे छोड़ेंगे, it is also going to clog your pores and the chances are you will end up with acne. So 1-2 घंटा लगाओ, wash कर दो. That should be more than enough. So and also I get asked a lot, frequent haircuts makes hair grow faster. So simple सा logic है, the growth happens at the base, that is the follicle, not at the end of the strand. So when we cut the hair, हम क्या करते हैं? We're chopping off the split ends, we're giving hair a better shape, so definitely the hair looks healthier. But the hair does not grow faster by a frequent haircut. So how do I know if my hair loss is temporary or something serious? This is a good question. See, temporary hair loss कब बोलते हैं हम? जब you've had a sudden illness, you've delivered a baby, your body's been through something stressful. It could be physical stress, it could be emotional stress. You know that something's not been right. You've not been eating right. You've been traveling. पानी change हुआ है और हमारा hair 4-6 हफ्ते गिरा and then it stopped. But when does it become serious? When we feel there is a patterned hair loss. हमारी temporal receding शुरू हो जाती है in men. In females we see widening of partition and you feel the hair loss is just not stopping. So if the hair fall does not stop beyond 6 weeks, you need to go see a doctor. So thank you so much for staying along with us, and if at all this helps you, make sure that you leave us a comment so that I can make some content next time around those comments. And definitely we'll soon start a hair series where we're going to take in details each and every one of this topic. Thank you so much once again, and if you have not already, like, share and subscribe.